Hello everyone. Now let's see how actually we can schedule our pipeline. So till now what actually we were doing, we were manually running the pipeline. So suppose this pipeline, if I had to run, I was clicking on the run button and this pipeline was running. But suppose your requirement is like you want to schedule it, you want it to run on a daily basis or a monthly basis or weekly basis, or suppose every minute you want to run this pipeline. In this case what actually you can do, you can schedule it. So you can come to this run. You can see we have one option, schedule. Click here. You can see schedule, it is off, but we can turn on. After that, now on what time actually you want to run, hourly basis, daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, you can select here. Suppose I'll select the hourly. So every 3 hour I want to run this. So what will happen, every 3 hour this pipeline will be scheduled and it will run automatically. So you have to pass the start date. So from which particular date to till that every 3 hours you want to run, so that you have to set up. So suppose from the today to the 10th of July, I want to run this pipeline every 3 hour. Every 3 hour in this particular time range, I want to run this pipeline. So start date and end date you can mention. What is the time zone on which particular time you want to run it. And if you click on the apply, what will happen? This pipeline will be scheduled and every 3 hour, right, this pipeline will run. Similarly, if you want to schedule on a daily basis, you can schedule that on what is the particular time you want to run. That particular time you can set up and particular time this pipeline will run. Suppose you want to schedule on a weekly basis, you can schedule the weekly. Suppose on Monday you want to run this, so you can select that what particular time, that particular time you can mention, and this particular time this pipeline will run. Similarly, we have monthly. In a monthly also, every 6 months, suppose you want to run, on which particular day you have to mention. Suppose on sixth day I want to run, and after that what particular time you want to run. So this kind of the thing actually you can mention. So with the help of the schedule, what actually we can do, we can schedule our pipeline. That is the first way. And even you want to trigger it, right, this particular pipeline, the another option is add trigger. From this add trigger you can select the source, run a fabric item. So this particular pipeline I want to run, and this is the workspace, and here only I want to save the location. So like this also we can do. In this case also the pipeline will be triggered, but we are going to use a schedule one. This is a more handy, and from here we can schedule all the things like on hourly basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Based on your requirement you can schedule it, so automatically this pipeline will be triggered. I hope you got the idea how to schedule the pipeline.